In his book Utility, Jay Baer talked about the fact that effective marketing is really all about providing information that's useful to the user. And Aman from Google yesterday he used the term utility marketing. And so what we're really looking at is the notion of utility marketing, providing a tool, an app, that is actually useful to the consumer. The worst thing you can do is provide an app that is of no value to the end user, because they may take that moment to install it on their phone, but if they're not getting value, they're going to immediately take it away. So what we're looking to do is deliver an application that provides information to that member that really explains to them the value of their membership, and also provides them convenience and utility that they can use the application whether they're at the store or away from the store. So imagine you walk in, you're a member at BJ's, you walk into a club and you see that there's a BJ's app. So you go ahead, you go through that process, you install it on your phone. First thing you can do is you can scan in your membership card, and as soon as we do that, we have a wealth of information about you so that we can start to target and personalize your experience in that application. As Melissa mentioned, they've already gathered a wealth of analytical data about their members, so we're able to serve this up in a very convenient way. Now, the other wonderful thing about mobile, right, is we are location aware, so that whether I'm in the Stoneham store or whether I'm at my home in Andover, it knows where I am and it can help me with information that's relative to my geographic location, not just my member preferences. So we really broke this app down into three sort of key stories. The first being that we understand that there's a certain buyer behavior that members at BJ's have. They love the notion of the treasure hunt, right? If you've ever been a BJ's member, you go in and there's the big area in the middle where there's all those either seasonal offers or there's sort of the great value offer that's there at the time. And so there's this treasure hunt mentality of knowing that I'm going to go to the BJ's and there's going to be something special there that wasn't there the last time I was there. Letting people know about that before they get to the store is a tremendous value, right? Because if I'm sitting at home looking on the couch, I'm thinking of going to the store, I can immediately get some information about, well, should I go to Manchester or should I go to Stoneham? I also need to know that certain locations only have certain things. So if I'm looking for tires, I might not go to one location because they don't have that offer there. So providing that information to me is really going to help me in making my decision about what I'm going to do. Now, we also know that one of the big buyer behaviors that members have at a BJ's Club is they love the tastings, right? That's actually a big motivation for people. They get there, they immediately go to the back of the store, they're trying out the smoked sausage, they're trying out the shrimp cocktail, the fruit plate, whatever it is. And so again, knowing that that's going to be there, that can help drive behavior. BJ's knows that if we can get some of those people that are just on a 60-day plan to actually join and become a member, or those people that are members to make one more trip, that provides tremendous value back to BJ's. So we really want to encourage that behavior. Now, we also want to encourage the social sharing, as Jan mentioned, so that if I'm at the store and there's an offer for tires, that I have the ability to share that with my neighbor, whether that person is a member or not, and let them know, hey, I know you're looking for snow tires, there's a great offer here. And that can be shared through any number of channels, whether that's Facebook, whether that's Twitter, whether that's email, right? So providing that ability to share that information is tremendously important. Now, the other key concept is the idea of information or offers that are personalized to me. And again, we've gathered a tremendous amount of material, of information about our buyers and about buying patterns of our members. So if I go into the store and I buy a 3-pack of Similac, it's probably likely that I'm also going to need diapers and wipes. And maybe with the Christmas season coming up, maybe I'm going to need some kids' toys, right? So if I see that you're making those kind of purchases, I can make suggestions for other purchases like those. I can also then maybe suggest brands. So I can start to drive people maybe to use the BJ's brand, the Berkley & Jensen brand, and I can provide better deals there because of the margins that are associated with having their own private brand versus another brand that they offer in the store.